Preparing for a career in the healthcare sector, one might assume that getting a high score in the NEET exam or even qualifying the exam is a job half done. But what after NEET? Many students miss out on the opportunity to study in their preferred colleges, and the main reason is a lack of information about the counseling process. The counseling process is the deciding factor that would either make or break your career, and for many, navigating this is a challenge. So let's get right into it and understand more about the NEET counseling process. The NEET counseling process is conducted online and occurs in two phases: the national level counseling conducted by the NCC and the state level counseling conducted by the respective governments of each state. Now, all the seats available for the medical courses are categorized as 15% All India quota or AIQ seats, and the remaining 85% are state quota seats. Let's talk about the AIQ seats first. The AIQ seats considered for counseling include 15% of seats from the government medical colleges and 100% seats from deemed and central universities, which the Medical Counseling Committee or the MCC allots. These AIQ seats have certain reservations that apply to every course. 10% of seats are reserved for general category belonging to economically weaker section, 27% for other backward classes belonging to non-creamy layer, 15% for scheduled caste, 7.5% for scheduled tribe, and for persons with disability, 5% of seats are reserved in each of the categories, which is known as a horizontal reservation. Now moving on to the state quota seats. These are allotted in the state level counseling process by the respective governments of each state. State quota seats include 85% of seats from the government medical colleges and seats from the private or self-financed colleges. Let's consider the Karnataka state counseling process. All medical seats under the Karnataka state counseling are categorized as government, private, NRI, and others. Before we get to the seat matrix, let's first understand the type of medical colleges in Karnataka. There are government colleges and colleges that come under the Karnataka Professional Colleges Foundation Trust, which are known as private non-minority institutes, Association of Minority Professional Colleges in Karnataka or private minority colleges, and Karnataka Religious and Linguistic Minority Professional Colleges Association, known as Religious and Linguistic Minority Colleges. 100% of the seats in government colleges are reserved under government quota. In private non-minority institutes, 40% of medical and 35% of dental are government quota seats. 15% of the seats are reserved for NRI category. 5% of the seats are for other category, and 40% of medical and 45% of dental seats which are reserved for the private category, of which 50% are for general merit private quota and the other 50% are for all India candidates open seats. In private minority and religious and linguistic minority institutes, 25% of medical and dental seats are reserved under the government quota. 15% of the seats are for NRI candidates, 5% of the seats are for other category, and 55% of the seats are for private category, of which 66% of the seats are for religious and linguistic minority. Of the remaining 34% of seats, 50% seats are for the candidates of Karnataka, also known as general merit private seats, and 50% are open seats. That covers the seat matrix for the NEET counseling process. Interested to learn more about this? Well, LearnTech is the one-stop solution to all your queries and doubts. Stay tuned for more such updates.